Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
This refreshing cucumber salad is a fantastic addition to any table, especially when you need something light and crisp. It's surprisingly simple to prepare and offers a wonderful, cool crunch that brightens up any meal. You'll love how quickly this vibrant dish comes together, making it perfect for those busy weeknights or impromptu gatherings. Get ready to enjoy a burst of fresh flavor with minimal effort. To start, grab 2 to 3 crisp cucumbers. English or Persian ones work wonderfully for their minimal seeds. For the vibrant dressing, you will need a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, and a teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Don't forget a small clove of garlic and a pinch of chili flakes if you enjoy a little kick. These simple pantry staples are all you need. Begin by washing and thinly slicing your cucumbers. A mandolin makes this super easy, creating beautifully uniform rounds or half moons, but a sharp knife works just as well. Place the slices in a colander, sprinkle them with about half a teaspoon of salt, and gently toss. Let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial step draws out excess water, ensuring your salad stays delightfully crisp and never watery. While your cucumbers are resting, let's quickly prepare the dressing. In a small bowl, combine a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Whisk these ingredients together until the sugar fully dissolves. Now, mince 1 small clove of garlic very finely and stir it into the mixture. Add a pinch of chili flakes if you prefer a little heat. This creates a balanced, savory, and slightly sweet flavor. After the cucumbers have released their moisture, rinse them well under cold water to remove the excess salt, then pat them completely dry with a paper towel. This ensures the perfect texture and flavor. Place the dried cucumber slices into a clean bowl, pour your freshly made dressing over them, and gently toss everything together until evenly coated. Garnish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or fresh cilantro for an extra touch. Your refreshing cucumber salad is now ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.